Did you know that any non-US citizen, including permanent residents, not temporary residents, non-US residents, can buy property here in the United States? Purchasing property here in the US is actually open to any individual regardless of their citizenship. That's right, you don't even need a green card to buy here. In this video, I'll be covering how a non-US resident can buy a property here in the US. If you live overseas and want to establish residency, or you want to invest in real estate here in the US, you'll want to watch this video. Hey guys, Gwen here with Intero Real Estate at Burlingame, helping you learn about our dynamic and fast-moving Bay Area real estate market. Let's get right into it. If you're watching this video, you might be curious on how to get started, and you're probably wondering how a non-US citizen or even a non-US resident can purchase property here. Well, the US actually does not restrict this. They actually practically allow any individual to buy real estate here as long as they have the funds, the money. The true barrier is really the type of financing that they can get for the property, because a non-US resident might have limited credit, or they might have limited US work experience. Therefore, they might not be able to get the type of financing for the loan of the property. So the last resort that they have is they have to bring in cash, funds in the bank, to go purchase the property outright. So you don't actually have to physically be here to purchase property here in the US. Everything can be done internationally and electronically. So the funds can be wired internationally. All the documents can be signed internationally as well at a US embassy. It can get notarized there, and once it's notarized, the docs can be sent back to the title and escrow company here in the US. Once that's done, they'll process it, they'll generate the deed to the property, get it recorded, and boom, you're the new owner. So keep that in mind. You don't actually have to physically be here to purchase and go through the entire purchasing process of buying real estate here in the US. You can do everything completely internationally, back home to where you're at. If you're interested in getting an investment property, say a multifamily, apartment, office, or an industrial warehouse, you might have to take a few extra steps. Because you're generating income from the property from your investment, you're going to need to get an ITIN number. Basically, it's what it's called is an individual taxpayer identification number. Basically, this allows the IRS to collect taxes from you. The ITIN is basically designed for individuals that are non-resident or resident aliens, spouses, or dependents that cannot get a normal Social Security number here in the US. So the whole purpose is to allow the individual that's typically not eligible for the Social Security number to comply with the tax laws. Now, aside from paying the taxes, the ITIN will actually allow the individual to get a loan. So you no longer need to pay cash for the property. You don't need to pay it outright. You can leverage your money. And so leveraging your money will allow you to buy more real estate. So instead of just buying one $2 million property, you can now buy 3 $2 million properties with a loan, and you can generate rental income from all 3 properties. How nice is that? So here in the San Francisco Bay Area, we are experiencing a shift in the market. The era of $2-3 million properties selling in 10 days with multiple offers are behind us. So there are a lot of opportunities that are available to us today. If you reside outside of the United States and you're thinking about buying real estate here, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'd be happy to help you put together a game plan to help meet your goals. Until then, thank you for watching. Check out this next video if you're thinking about buying properties here in the San Francisco Bay Area.